Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two of the most popular programming languages in the world, Python and JavaScript. If you're wondering which one is better, this video is for you. Let's start with Python. Python is famous for its simple and easy-to-read syntax. It's often recommended for beginners because the code looks clean and is easier to understand. Python is widely used in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and back-end development. Now let's talk about JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web. If you want to build interactive websites, JavaScript is essential. It runs directly in web browsers and is used for front-end development. With technologies like Node.js, JavaScript can also be used for back-end development. So, which one is faster? In many web applications, JavaScript is generally faster because it runs directly in the browser using highly optimized engines. Python focuses more on simplicity and productivity rather than raw speed. What about job opportunities? Both languages are in high demand. Python is popular in AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, and data analysis. JavaScript dominates web development and is used by millions of websites worldwide. For beginners, Python is usually easier to learn because of its simple syntax. JavaScript has more concepts to understand, but it's incredibly powerful once you master it. So, which should you choose? Choose Python if you're interested in AI, machine learning, automation, or data science. Choose JavaScript if you want to build websites, web apps, or become a full-stack developer. The truth is, neither language is better in every situation. The best language depends on your goals and the type of projects you want to create. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more programming and technology content.